Hello guys, welcome to Meka School. Today we are going to solve a very interesting math problem, also which is a tricky question. The question is 27 divided 3 over 9 times 9 equal what? So many people get this answer wrong. They think 9 and 9 cancel out. So here remain only 3 and 27 over 3, that means 9. This is a wrong answer. I already said that the answer is not 9. So how can it solve? Let's see. First of all, rewrite that question. 27 divide 3 over 9 into 9. For solving that math problem, we should use BODMAS. So here B means bracket, O means order, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First of all, we should do division. Okay, for division and multiplication, we should use the two symbol which comes first. Okay, so therefore 27 divide. So if we put multiplication, then 3 by 9 will be 9 by 3 times 9. Okay, 27 times 9 divide 3, that means 3 into 9. So 27 over 3, that means 81 times 9. So 7 to 9. Answer is 729.